You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken Tech for your ears.
Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into some really fascinating developments in the tech world. Some truly mind-bending stuff, actually.
Right, absolutely. We've got quite a mix lined up.
Yeah, we're talking about AI aiming to, well, cure diseases, a completely new kind of messaging app that works without the internet.
Which sounds almost impossible these days.
Right, and maybe the most surprising bit, AI basically hallucinating a feature that a company then went ahead and built. So yeah, lots to unpack.
It really shows how fast things are moving, and in ways you just wouldn't predict. AI isn't just, tweaking things anymore. It's driving fundamental changes.
Okay, let's start with that huge ambition, AI in medicine. Alphabet's Isomorphic Labs, pretty secretive outfit, right?
Yeah, very much so. They spun out of DeepMind.
Right, from AlphaFold,
Yeah.
the system that just blew everyone away with predicting protein structures.
Exactly. And Isomorphic is now getting ready for its first human trials of drugs designed by AI.
Which is incredible.
Yeah.
But their stated goal is, well, it's massive.
It is. They've actually said they want to solve all diseases. I mean, think about that.
Solve all diseases. That's quite the mission statement.
It really is. It points towards this idea of therapeutic abundance. Basically, using AI to make drug discovery way faster, more precise, maybe even cheaper in the long run.
So potentially reversing that long slowdown we've seen in pharma R&D.
That's the hope. It could fundamentally change how we develop medicines, maybe making breakthroughs more common again. It's a really profound possibility for, global health.
Absolutely. Okay, let's shift gears completely from curing diseases to how we talk to each other.
Right, a bit more personal maybe.
Definitely. So imagine a messaging app like WhatsApp, but it doesn't need the internet or servers or phone numbers or email.
Okay, hold on. How does that work?
It's called Bitchat. It's from Jack Dorsey, and it's a decentralized peer-to-peer app.
Peer-to-peer. So it uses something like Bluetooth.
Exactly. It runs entirely on Bluetooth mesh networks. Devices connect directly to each other.
Okay. So messages hop from phone to phone.
Yeah, nearby devices create these little clusters, and they pass messages along, which actually lets you reach people beyond the normal Bluetooth range.
Clever. And what about the messages themselves? Security?
They say it's encrypted, stored only on your device, and ephemeral, they disappear by default. No central point of failure or data collection.
That's a big departure from how everything works now. Privacy is obviously a huge plus there.
For sure. It's in beta now. But it raises questions, right? Like, how practical is that? A Bluetooth mesh. Can that really scale for everyday messaging? Or is it more for specific situations?
That's the key question, isn't it? Scalability is tied to how many devices are close by. It probably shines in dense areas, maybe during emergencies or where internet is flaky.
Right.
It might not replace your global chat apps, but for secure, local, resilient communication. That's a really interesting niche. A powerful one, potentially.
Makes sense. A different tool for a different job. Okay, third topic. This one, it's a bit strange.
Oh, go on.
What happens when an AI just makes something up? Hallucinates a feature that doesn't exist.
Right. I saw this one about SoundSlice. That's the service for scanning sheet music, right?
Yeah, you take a photo, it digitizes it, you can listen, edit, practice. Really useful.
So what happened?
Their team noticed their error logs were suddenly full of references to ASCII tablature, like text-based guitar tabs.
Which they didn't support.
Exactly. They didn't offer that feature at all, so they dug into it.
Yeah.
Turns out, ChatGPT was telling users to go to SoundSlice and use this ASCII tab feature. It just invented it.
Wow. So the AI was confidently giving instructions for something totally non-existent.
Pretty much. But here's the kicker. Instead of just putting up a warning saying, ChatGPT is wrong, the SoundSlice folks,
They built it.
they just built the feature. An AI hallucinated a user need, and they actually implemented it.
That's kind of amazing. It shows incredible agility, doesn't it? Responding not just to user requests, but to AI-influenced expectations.
Exactly. It's like AI is starting to inadvertently shape product roadmaps.
It highlights this weird new dynamic where you might have to react to what AI tells users is possible, even if it wasn't on your radar. A strange kind of user feedback loop.
Definitely strange, but also fascinating. So, wrapping up today, we've seen AI designing medicines, a messaging app ditching the internet entirely, and AI basically dictating features.
It really underscores how quickly things are changing and how adaptable everyone, users, companies, needs to be the innovation is happening on multiple fronts, often in surprising ways.
Absolutely. So thinking about all this, what really stands out to you? And how do you think this sort of, I don't know, creative or even hallucinatory side of AI might influence technology moving forward? Something to think about.
Definitely food for thought.
Well, that's all we have time for today. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.
Spoken Tech for your ears.